Good morning, children. How are you? We have seen different types of nouns. What are those? Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns. And also, we have seen types of nouns based on their gender. What were those? Masculine, feminine, neuter, and common. Now, come on, let's continue with the exercises given in our textbook on page number 4. See, read the following passage, then underline the nouns and sort them into the given table. Okay, after this paragraph, there is a table given. What you have to do, you have to find out the nouns from this and write down in the table. First, let's see the table. Chandar was excited for it was his first day at his new school. Sacred Heart Convent was one of the best schools in town. Its teaching staff were very efficient. Chandar's friends also studied in the same class at the same school. Chandar wore his uniform, packed his bag, grabbed a bunch of grapes, and walked out of the house. His parents Ganesh and Neeru, his sister Megha, and his dog Milo were waiting in the car for him. Why is the entire family coming along? He wondered. Yes, now sort the nouns. Now, from the paragraph, write down common nouns, proper nouns, and collective nouns. Children, first let us write down common nouns. What are common nouns? Day, school, town, friends, class, uniform, bag, grapes, house, parents, sister, dog, car. Once again I repeat, day, school, town, friends, class, uniform, bag, grapes, house, parents, sister, dog, car. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns start with the capital letter C, all of you. Chandar, Sacred Heart, Convent, Ganesh, Neeru, Megha, Milo. Collective noun. What do you mean by collective noun? It is a name given to a group, staff, bunch, family. Okay? You have to complete the table, children. Now answer the following questions about the gender of the nouns. Now you have to find out the gender. Write one masculine gender noun from the table. Masculine gender noun from the table. You can write dog and also Chandar. Yes. Write one feminine noun from the table. Feminine. Sister. Yes. Sister and also Megha. Write four neuter nouns from the table. What are four neuter nouns you see which won't be a male or a female? See, house is there. Yes, house, car, house, car, school, school, uniform, uniform, bag. Write two common gender nouns from the table. Common gender. Parents, friends. They can be either male or female. Anything they may be. Yes, children? They may be anything. Now come on. Come down to page number 7, all of you. See exercise. Classify the given nouns according to the gender. One is done for you. Roaster is masculine. Roaster is nothing but male form of hen. Bush. Bush comes under neuter. Bush comes under neuter. Enemy. Enemy. It comes under common. They may be male or female. Scooter. Neuter. Sow. S-O-W. Sow. It is feminine gender. Chef. Chef. Common gender. Chef. Common gender. Now children, all of you may get it out. Teacher said so is feminine. So is a verb. You may think, yes or no, that when we plant a tree we sow a seed. No. Sow is also the name given to the female pig. Okay. So, read the following sentences. Little children have a lot of curiosity. You can find useful information on the internet. Our vacation was full of happiness and joy. Curiosity, information, happiness, joy. All these are called as abstract nouns, children, which doesn't come under proper, common or collective noun, and which are not related to any genders, okay, any human being or animal or thing which shows the feeling. Okay, so those are called as abstract nouns, what we cannot see. Abstract nouns are nothing but what we cannot see. Curiosity, can you see? No. Information, no. Happiness, can you touch? No. They are called as abstract nouns. Regarding abstract nouns, children, we are going to study in detail in our next class, children. So you have to complete the given exercises. Thank you.